How to add visual grain in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the color workspace. Next, select a clip where you want to add the grain effect. Then, navigate to the Open Effects panel on the right side of the interface. In the search bar, type Film Grain to quickly find the grain effect. Drag and drop the film grain effect onto your selected clips node in the node editor. After applying the effect, adjust the grain settings. Here you can control the intensity of the grain, size of the grain, and softness. Increasing the grain size gives a rougher texture, while lowering it creates finer detail. You can also tweak the blend mode and opacity if you want to make the grain softer or more pronounced. Make sure to preview your clip by playing it back to see how the grain looks in motion. If needed, adjust the settings further until you get the desired film-like texture. Additionally, you can use multiple nodes with different grain settings for more complex effects. Once satisfied, simply move on to the next clip or export your project. And that's it. Now you know how to add visual grain in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.